Hello again, this is plumbing straight from Poland. Let me show you what I'm doing in here in this building. I'm doing floor heating system. I'm not finished yet, but I want to show you what I've done till now. As you can see in my previous videos, we have manifold in here, yeah, and the pipes are going into the house from the manifold. There's entrance. As I said, I didn't finish yet. We have hole in here, bathroom. It looks like that. One room. And then two rooms in the end of this building. Yeah. Them two walls are outside walls, so we put more pipes, as you can see. It's very important to use more pipes on outside walls. Yeah. Oops. Okay. This is living room. Yeah. And in here, over there, we have kitchen. As you realize, I have some red insulation in here. I'll tell you why. Because as you can see, this area it's big area, so where the builders comes to do the concrete, they have to divide this concrete. So we will have two different concrete slabs, which can working a little bit differently. So we are using insulation in these places where the concrete will divide it, to prevent pipes from damage. Kitchen furniture we will have in here, so we didn't put the pipes under the kitchen units, under the kitchen furniture. I'm doing only one pipe very close to the outside wall, yeah, to keep hot place in this area over there. And again in here, very big window, so we put more pipes, yeah, and outside wall as well, as you can see. It looks like that. I will do now the entrance hole in here and a small toilet over there. I show you next video when I finish this job, yeah, this floor heating system I mean. So this is everything for now. Take care. Bye bye.